Hello and welcome to my video on networks and its impact on our daily lives. Today I'll be showing a presentation about networks, network devices, softwares, the advantages and disadvantages. So what is a network? A simple definition of a network is a collection of hardware components and computers interconnected by communication channels that allow sharing of resources and information. To fully understand network, there are lots of various things we need to know, such as IP, that is Internet Protocol, and flow control, and so on. But since I'm trying to explain why the Internet has impact on our lives, I'll be focusing more on the devices, latest softwares, applications, their merits, their demerits. Before I move on, let me just say something about OSI, or Open Systems Interconnection. It's virtually all networks in use today are based on the OSI. It's a set of 7 layers that define the different stages that data must go through to travel from one device to another over a network device. A physical layer, a data link layer, a network layer, a transport layer, a session layer, a presentation layer, and an application layer. Computer networking devices are units that mediate data in a computer network. For example, a router, a bridge, switch, hub, repeater, and so on. These network equipments help connect the host to the client, and so on. Almost everything we use today has a network connection. Computer, a laptop, mobile, game consoles. A network is cheap and easily accessible by a majority of the people. Many countless daily activities, such as weather checking, email, is received and read in a matter of seconds. So what is the main impact of Internet in our lives? Well, it has given and made our lives easier. Easier to access to knowledge. Easier access to knowledge and endless source to resources and many other things. The world is much more understandable and reachable now. We are updated with news around the world every day. Each day we learn new things. Communicating between two different places, two different geographical places, is so much easier and so much faster. It's fair to say that networking has made our lives better along with the time that passes by. Having said the advantages, I would also like to say some disadvantages of using Internet. For example, the most common one. Having said the advantages, I would also like to say some disadvantages of using Internet. For example, the most common one is it makes you antisocial, and it decreases the amount of interactions with humans, and you'd be getting all the information and be up to date with the outer world by just sitting in your room. huge cybercrimes, and much more attractions.